sure people will love that transition. 45mm Midnight Series 7. First Apple Watch for me. Not sure if I'm gonna regret this buy or not. Let's slice gently. Peel it. Wow, feels good. Feels good. Looks so clean. Okay, so we have to open it from the bottom like so. I've seen this packaging many times in other unboxing videos. They don't change anything, huh? Classic Apple. Well, we have 2 boxes for the watch and the sport band. So much for saving the environment. Okay, words. Okay, so we have 2 green peels here. Let's peel it out. Oh wow, that sounded heavenly. Let's do it one more time. Man, that feels good. Yeah. Okay, so how do I open this from the top? Oh god. Okay, it's good. Alright, so designed by Apple in California. Pretty sure these are just papers. Paper. Instructions. More paper for Arabic language. And more paper. Okay, Apple is out there really saving the environment. Alright, so the charging. Apple said it's gonna charge 33% faster, and when people said it can charge from 0 to 80% in 45 minutes, but all I care now is how I can get this out. It looks kind of impossible to do it, so I thought I had to force it out. Oh, why is it so hard? Oh, apparently I have to take this out first. And then, there you go. Okay. Alright. My bad. Alright, so side rail is made of aluminium and now is using Type-C. Not bad. I think to support that faster charging, they need to use Type-C. Okay. Let's put it aside for now. Now let's go for the watch itself. It's packaged well. It's kind of hard to take it out though. Do I push it? Wait, is it right? I'm afraid I'm gonna scratch this thing. Oh, okay, yeah, it's up and it looks good. Oh, thank God. Alright, so yep, this is the midnight version. You can see a small tint of blue, but on most cases it will look black. And the back side is kind of the same at Series 6. Have all that ECG and blood oxygen, nothing new. So yeah, While we wait for this to sync up with my iPhone, let's unbox the strap. Another green bill here. Only one. Let's see. How the hell? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is how to do it. Right, I'm gonna take it out. Oh, okay. It's slippery. Okay. Yeah, finally. Why is it so hard to take? Okay, alright. Okay. Okay. Man, Apple do use a lot of paper here, huh? Okay, but the strap looks good. I think to complement the midnight color, it also uses slight tint of blue on the straps. We can see it here. Let me just take it out. You know, the thing that I've heard so much is that people don't really like the original sport band. I don't know why. Probably because it's free. It comes in the box. You know, Apple people loves to pay for things. But yeah, we got the two sizes here, as you can see. For the bottom strap, to cater all user. So if you're a man or a woman or a cat, you can wear this easily. Let's put it in. Slide it in. I think it's quite easy. Oh, it clicks. Yeah, it was fairly easy actually to do it. Let's do the same. Oh, yeah. I mean, I feel proud of myself to be able to put this thing in one try. Okay, let's get this watch out of my hand. Let me try to put it in. Okay, let's see. Wait, how the heck do I... Why is it not... Am I putting it wrong? Oh shit. Oh, it's done syncing. Still can't get this thing. Alright. I mean, not gonna lie, I had to YouTube this tutorial to put the strap. Yeah. I mean, looks good. Not bad. It fits decently. And the OLED display though, it's really bright. Let's take off the watch and explore it. Does it show passcode every time? Not sure. Okay. Not sure why I have to hide my passcode number here, but yeah. Okay, so let's see. Pressing the crown. Oh, it will show the menu. Look at them, all bubbles. I have no idea what I should try. Yeah, calculator, of course. Okay, so let's see. I forgot how to calculate. What if 25 times 300? Okay. Right, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, let's see. Okay. So that's the Apple wallet. It's the wallet. Scrolling from the bottom to bring up the control panel. I don't know if that's the real name, but scrolling from the top shows us the notifications. I don't know why I can't. Oh, I need to add new faces. Okay, let's see. Let's pick up the new contour face for Series 7. That Apple glorified so much in their event. So how do I do this? I slide it. Okay, why can't I pick any color? How do I pick the color? What? Oh, okay, so I have to slide the crown, rotate the crown to pick the color, and okay, I think it just got added. Yeah, I mean, that was fairly easy. Okay, as we can see here, right, the counter thing looks fine. They do bleed on the sides, and it looks kind of futuristic and reminded me of my Samsung phones with edge screen. Ah, damn it, the passcode again. Okay, so I just want to take a look at the control panel again. And people are saying that it's very important, the notifications and control panel, so I just want to be familiarized with it. I've added some new watch faces here. Okay, so I think here's the feature that I think I'd use the most: music. You can stream from here easily to our AirPods. It means you probably won't have to rely on your phone so much to control playback. I mean, it's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna use it so many times. Freaking passcode. Okay, so yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how the hell would I remember all these icons, but this is still better than the list view. Okay, lastly, the charger. Just want to feel how it snaps. Whoa, that felt satisfying. Okay, I mean, it fits right in there with the help of the magnets. Yeah, Apple with the magnets, they're so good. Ooh boy. Okay, so I mean, I don't know, this video won't probably help you so much in determining if you want to buy the Series 7, but I hope it entertains you at least. I think it's a pretty good watch. It's a pretty good buy. I think I'm not gonna regret this. So yeah, I've made the use out of it. Thank you.